class 11. This is Sanjay Kumar Tiwari welcoming you to e-learning classes of St. Michael Higher Secondary. Students, I hope all of you are quite fine at home and preparing for your first major test that is scheduled in the next week, and I hope you have got the schedule of the examinations. The students, we have started voice, and for voice I have already uploaded 2 videos. This is going to be the last video regarding your grammatical chapter that we have started. Students, today I have decided to teach you how to change voice of imperative sentences. As you know that imperative sentences are also known as command. They generally express command, order, request, suggestion, etc. They don't have subject in the beginning. They have silent or missing subject, but they are very important because they play an important role in our communication, in our writing and speaking skill. The students, when we have to change imperative sentences into passive voice, we use verbs like advise, request and order. Example, you will see, please post this letter. You are requested to post this letter. This is one way where you have to add you are requested, you are ordered, you are advised to. This much portion you have to add according to the meaning and nature of the imperative sentence. The second structure that may be used for changing imperative sentence into passive is that let plus subject plus be plus V3. After V3 we don't use subject because or object because subject is not given in your active voice. Now see, light the lamp, let the lamp be lighted. This is the second one. Third one structure is that you have to use subject plus should plus be plus V3. Never tell a lie should never be told. So please keep all these 3 structures in your mind and you are at liberty to use one of them while you are changing from active to passive. Now students, the second structure is that whenever we have helping verbs like models in our active voice, we have to follow all the steps. One extra or additional thing we have to add is that we have to use the same models. After that be should be used and V3 is there. One sentence of active voice is that you can do this work. This work will become subject. The same models has to be repeated. This work can be done by you. Let us have one more example. He should respect his elders. His elders should be respected by him. So, the structure for active voice is that subject plus models plus V1 plus object. The moment you change it, subject plus the same models that has been used in active voice, and after that you have to add be V3 plus by plus object. Students, now we should move towards prepositional verbs. Prepositional verb means when preposition comes as an integral part of the verb. Integral part of the verb means there should be prepositional phrase. Verb and preposition both come together and they become one unit. So what we have to keep in our mind is that this preposition, particular preposition that has been used it is carried on, and after that by is used. She objected to my proposal. My proposal was objected to. Here objected to, that is 1 unit, so this unit has to be taken, and after that by is used. I am teaching this particular prepositional phrase because sometimes the students make an error. What error they make? They just leave preposition and use by just after V3. So don't make this mistake. She accused him of theft. He was accused of theft by her. So some miscellaneous examples are also there where I am making it clear. Grass grows over the fields. The fields are overgrown with grass. Someone has stolen my pen. Here someone is a universal subject. This is not so important. The important fact is that the pen has been stolen. So my pen has been stolen. If you have to write by someone, you may write you are at liberty. But if you don't write, keeping it as a universal subject in your mind, it is not bad. Students, some miscellaneous examples I am giving. People say that he is a rich man. You find that this is a longer sentence where two clauses or two sentences have been used. People say is one part and he is a rich man is second part. So if such example is there as a part of your question paper, at first you have to decide which part has to be changed. So here we find people say can be changed, he is a rich man cannot be changed. So say, after say you have to use dummy subject that has been used. It is said that he is a rich man. One more example is there. I know him. Here by is not used. All these things, all the rules you have to follow, but with know you have to use to. Students, now I am going to give you some questions related to active voice, and these questions should be changed into passive in a school copy that you have to buy from our school. If you do any homework in other copy, that will not be checked and you will not be awarded. So do these questions, and if you have any other book where the questions have been given, you may also do them. I'll check when the school reopens and you will be awarded. So keep it in mind, do the homework without fail. Thank you. Have a nice day.